Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a method that you can use to make up to about $500 per week and possibly even more, just depending on how much work that you do. Okay? Well, guys, if this interests you, in fact, we're going to be doing it using the Google search engine. Basically, you'll be getting paid to search Google as another formal way of looking at this. Okay? So if this sounds good to you, well, stick around. We're going to get started on it here right now. And this is the site that we're going to come to here to start this, guys, right off the bat here. Text Broker. You see it right here? Text Broker. And look up here in the address bar, guys. It's textbroker.com. And what you can do here on this site is people come here to this site that need people to write articles for them or write any kind of papers for them that help them in their business or their whatever need they be needing for articles. They can come here and have articles written for them by people such as you and me, and they can get good prices for these articles. It doesn't cost them much, and so on and so forth. But what we're here for is we want to make money on this site, right? So what you want to do is you want to click up here on this site where it talks about I write content. Because what you're going to do is you're going to become a content writer on this site and get paid very well. In fact, there's 3 sites that I'm going to show you that you can do the same thing on and get paid very, very well for writing content here. All right. So you're going to click on I write content, and it brings you over to here. It says with Text Broker, your writing talent pays off, and so on and so forth, and you can become a free author on this site. But let's learn a little bit about it here. It says earn money writing content. It says do you write content? Is writing your passion? Then Text Broker is the right place for you since 2005. So they've been around for a long time, guys. What, almost 20 years now, and people have been making money writing for this particular site right here. It talks about right here. It says why write for Text Broker? It's free of charge, flexible time management, reliable payment, which, guys, you can do this. This is all free, guys, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. And you can write for these places that I'm going to show you. This is one. I've got 2 more to go here. And you can make good money doing this writing for these sites right here. And it says flexible time, so it's not an employment thing. It is basically sort of like an independent contractor. You just work when and wherever you want to and write as much as you want to. Alrighty? And then you submit there. It says how it works. It says whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, you may be a good fit to write content for us. And then your payment, Text Broker offers several payment methods, which I would probably, for these 3 sites, guys, recommend that you use PayPal as your payment option. And if you're in another country, they'll have, it says payment options here, so probably more than just PayPal here on this particular site right here. So anyways, we'll come back here. Got to jump a little ahead here. And then it says writing resources. We are vested in your success, and we give feedback to help you refine your skills, and access to our blog that includes grammar tips and tutorials and videos to help you out as well. So if we come over and we click on the payment thing right here, and it says over here, it says earn money online. It says good work pays off. The better you write, the more that you can earn. So they have tiers on this site. The better writer that you become, the more money that you'll be able to make here. Okay. And you can see right down here, Text Broker offers authors several options to earn money online. You can see right here that as a 5-star writer, you can get paid $5.50 per word, guys. As a 4-star writer, it's $1.60 per word. And then on direct order, a team order, whatever, it has other payment thresholds right here. As a 3-star writer, it's about $1.10 per word. Still, that's pretty good money. And it says right here, you can request a payout at any time during the week as long as your Text Broker balance is at least $10 or more. Well, it shouldn't be long for you to get pretty much over that $10 or more thing. It says payouts are processed twice a week, and it talks about their terms and services for more information on that. And then the average pay of a 4-star author, for example, you can see right here, you can calculate your earnings. So if you're a 4-star author and you write an article that's 1,000 words, that's $16. But if you're a 5-star writer and it's 1,000 words, that's $55. And if you were to write up to 1,000 word article is not a very big article, guys. But if you were right up to like a 4,000 word article, so if we dial this up to 4,000 here, you can see that that can make you $220 per article if you have worked your way up to a 5-star writer. Now, stick around, guys. I can hear you telling me, well, Kevin, I'm not much of a writer and I don't really know how to write and stuff like that. Well, guys, stick around. You know I got you covered here, and I'm going to show you how you can probably start this out pretty quick as a 4-star or 5-star writer almost immediately on textbroker.com. Stick around. I'm going to show you how to do this. All right, so that's one site, TextBroker. The next site we're coming to here, guys, is this one right here. It's called iWriter. You can see it right up here. Right here in the address bar, it's iWriter.com. Now, which also, by the way, guys, I can hear you guys saying too that, Kevin, you said that we were going to be searching Google and getting paid through Google searches and that kind of thing. Well, that's true. Just hang on there with me, guys. Like I said, I got you all covered here, okay? I'm going to show you how you don't even have to do any of the writing yourself. All you need to do is just find the correct articles and just use those articles. And I'm going to show you how to do that later on here in this video, all right? So stick around. So over here on iWriter, you can see it right here as people come here and try to get people to write. It's the same thing. People want to hire people to write their articles for them and for their whatever their business may be or whatever reason they may need those articles, right? And you can come down through here and so on and so forth, and you can see different things. And right here it says, are you a writer that wants to earn money writing for iWriter? It says you can build your own client base and earn up to $80 per 500 words once you're promoted up the ranks. So just like with TextBroker, you're going to work your way up to be like a 5-star author as over time. But I'm going to show you how you can get started pretty quickly in those areas of 4- and 5-star writer right off the bat working for these companies. Now it says write as much or as little as you want each day. So here again, guys, you don't have to. It's not an employment thing. It's an independent contractor. You're just going to write when and wherever and as often as you want. And you are totally in control. And it says here you can choose the topics that best match your background. And then basically you just want to click right here and become a iWriter. Just fill out your application right here. Check this little garbage robot box here. Click submit, and then they will process your application and let you know. It says right here within 5 to 7 business days if you're accepted, and so on and so forth. So that's how you do that on iWriter. Now, which, by the way, guys, if this is your first time to my videos and you haven't yet subscribed here, well, anytime during the video here that you're getting some value out of this, reach down below there in your video and click that little red subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos. And also, don't forget to reach down there if you like this video and crush that thumbs up button for me. It'll help my channel and the YouTube algorithm as well. All right, so let's go ahead and get back to this now. Now, the third site we're going to come to over here, guys, is right here. It's called Scripted. You can see it right up here in the address bar. It's scripted.com. This site right here is the same thing. People come here looking for people that can write articles for them for their business or whatever needs it is. Like here, every business needs great content, right? And you can write for this site as well. And it talks a little bit down through here. I'm not going to read through all this, and you can read this yourself as you come over here, and then so on and so forth. So what you want to do here on this site is come up here on this site, and you want to click on Become a Writer right here, guys. And it says why become a writer. So Scripted is the best place for freelance writers, and find out below. And it talks about here competitive pay. It says scripted writers made over $1 million in 2020 alone, guys. And it says here, write what you know, work with great companies, build your portfolio, work anywhere, anytime. You control your workload and set your own hours. Scripted writers work from all over the world, guys, and with their own schedule, and so on and so forth. And then there's payment and project management, and so on and so forth. And basically, come down here, you can choose whatever in industry that you like to specialize in, that you're happy with, and you work, and you can see there are all kinds of categories right here that you can write for in this particular site right here. And you just want to come down here and you want to click on, you can see it right here, pitch ideas. Is you want to come down and click on become a scripted writer right here, guys, and you'll click on this right here, and it'll bring you over here to this little application you just fill out. And guys, each time you fill out these applications on these 3 sites that I'm showing you here, you can bet that they're going to send you an email confirmation. So make sure that you get those validated and verified, and come back, and then you can log in after you fill this out. So put your email address in, first and last name, and a good password, create an account. It's that simple, guys, here on this site right here called Scripted. Now, you guys, like I told you earlier, you guys were wondering, how am I going to do this? Because you may be saying, I'm not a real good writer. I'd like to write, but I'm just not real good at coming up with articles and things like that out of my own head. Maybe you are. If you are, well, you can enjoy writing these yourself. But for those of you that aren't, maybe you're like me and you really have a hard time coming up with ideas and doing research and come up with articles and things like that. Well, I got you covered. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to use this site right here, guys. It is Google News. You look right up here in the address bar, guys. We're right here on news.google.com, because you want to use the most freshest and the most up-to-date articles. Now, you can see that I've clicked on technology category over here in the column on the left. They have all kinds of categories here in the U.S., world, your local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. And guys, you can use the articles that are up here, the latest articles. These are, posted recently, and you can use these articles right here to do this with. But you're not going to copy them exactly word for word. Here's what we're going to do. Let's just pick one. For example, if we pick this article right here, this is one of the latest ones, written 9 hours ago, guys. 7 frustrating Windows 11 annoyances and so on, how to fix them. And what you would do is you come down and you will copy the paragraphs, right click and copy, and then you're going to use this site right here, because you're not going to be copying and using the words off this article exactly. You need to spin them into your own, and the way you're going to do that is over here on Quillbot right here, guys. You see this site right here. Look up here in the address bar, guys. It's quillbot.com right here. And what you want to do is you'll take your article and you'll copy each one of these paragraphs and these titles, and you can put it in here. And then right here, for example, if we paste in what I just copied there, it's 74 words. Now, guys, you can sign up for a free account. You don't need to upgrade on this. You can do the free one. Now, you get, without signing up for the free account, you get back like 125 words at a time to do this. So it may take you some time to go through the whole article and copy every paragraph and everything in that article, and then bring it over here and then click it in here, paste it, and then you want to click paraphrase right here, guys, and have it rewrite that article for you right here on the right hand side. And you see that right there, and how it changed it up from this right here, and it makes it your very own. And then you just simply copy this right here and save it into like a notepad or a WordPad or something like that until you get the whole article done, paraphrasing from what article you chose, and then you bring it back over to either your text broker and upload it here on text broker. Same thing on iWriter, you'll upload that here, and also here on Scripted, guys, and you should be able to make at least $500 per week, I would think, because it depends on how many words are in your article, right? I showed you over here, it's the slider bar here, depending on how large those articles are and how much money you're going to make. And you can start off right away with at least a 4-star rating and work your way up pretty quickly, I would think, using the Google News articles and then respinning them over with using Quillbot, and then upload them to that. And as they're accepted, guys, you can make some pretty good money for yourself on a weekly basis, I would think, using this particular method. Guys, if you liked that video, that's what I had for you today. Reach down there and press that thumbs up button for me if you would. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the little notification bell. And if you got any comments or questions about this video, just leave them down below in the comment section there, guys, and I will get back with you on that. If you want to learn high-ticket affiliate marketing, you want to click down there in the top of the description of my video where it says mentorwithkev.com. And come over, click that, and come over and watch my free video presentation that'll show you how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer making thousands per day possibility. Doing that pretty easily. Alrighty? Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. Watch any of the other videos that you see popping up here, as they'll help you make money as well. And I'll let you go with that, and I'll see you in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.